For unique drivers, AVIT is a single-source solution. Operating as one integrated system consisting of primary and secondary controls, there's no need for a collection of buttons, switches, or controls from other manufacturers. Primary functions are defined as the gas, brake, and steering functions of the vehicle. AVIT provides a lever or joystick input device to control the gas brake functions and a wheel or joystick input device for steering, or a single joystick for both. The plug-and-play feature of the AVIT system allows the input combination to be changed depending upon the client's physical requirements. As clients' physical needs change, effort level and range of motion may be affected. Clients that used to simply use a lever input device to control their acceleration and braking may now require a lower level of effort by using the AVIT joystick. This is done simply by unplugging the current input device and plugging in the new one.
My name is Gary Jarvis, and I have ALS, which is known as Lou Gehrig's. Right now I have what they call an 8-inch steering wheel, but it's getting a little bit harder for me to do that now. So what I'm thinking is talking to them about getting the joystick, looking into that to see if it would make it a lot easier for me. And that's the joy of being able to have this kind of equipment, that they can do this.
The AVIT input devices also have an endless number of sensitivity and effort level settings already built in that can be tailored specifically to each client. For example, while in the field, evaluators can customize their client's training experience from another's by changing the settings from the display in a matter of seconds. The same process can be applied for evaluators that need to change the input device to properly access their client's individual physical needs. To successfully train clients, EMC provides an evaluation device that provides educators a simple and safe way to take control of the vehicle. To regain control, they simply click the Inhabited Takeover or ITO button to disengage the steering servo motor, grab the wheel, and pull back on the joystick to apply the brake. The AVIT driving control system also takes into consideration that our consumers may not always be the primary drivers of their modified vehicle. The AVIT system allows members of your family, dealers servicing your product, or anyone else to switch from AVIT mode and then back to the original factory controls in less than 15 seconds. Simply disengage the servo motor by pulling a pin. Press the alert icon to disengage the AVIT system, and the vehicle can now be operated using the original factory controls.